Bonjour babes, it's Bethany here, and it's springtime and perfect, and so I'm just very excited. And I'm really excited because today we're going to plant herbs in cute little clay pots and make super adorable little clay plant sticks with the name of the herb etched into the clay. It's gonna be so cute. So guys, let's go plant some cute herbs. So let's go. So let's go. So let's go. So let's get going. The supplies you'll need for the plant sticks is a rolling pin, a clay cutter or X-Acto knife, clay, and alphabet stamps. So first you are going to take some clay and roll it into a ball. Next you are going to roll them out into long strips, however long you want your clay stick to be. Next, you are going to take your rolling pin and roll out the length of your stick. Now I'm going to smooth out the end here. This will be the top of our stick. And we'll take our alphabet stamps and spell out the name of our herb. Before I start stamping, I'm going to go ahead and use my clay cutter, or if you have an X-Acto knife, that will work too. And you're going to cut at an angle, like the one you see here on the left, and that will be the point to stick into our soil. And the indentions are a little harder to see on this video, but it is more clear in real life, and the letters will show up a little bit better after we bake the clay. The supplies you'll need is potting mix, soil, herbs, clay pots, and a shovel. So you're going to start with putting some soil into your clay pot, taking your herb and putting it into the pot, and then putting soil over top. The next step is to water all of our newly planted herbs. put these cute plant sticks into our newly planted herbs. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video and hope you made some cute little herbs yourself with some cute little plant sticks. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.